What's up, you guys? Welcome back to the Broad Vlog. Today I'm going to show you guys how to do a taper with a shape up. First thing I'm going to do is I'm going to comb out my hair, make sure everything's all detangled. Then I'm going to start with my guideline. I'm going to go right under that ear, make my first incision. Then I'm going to take my comb and put my shears over it and just even out that base. Then I'm going to take my number 1 guard open with my clipper and then go right to that first initial guideline. Flicker out, make sure you flicker out, it's very important doing this cut. Then I'm gonna do that same exact method with the clipper closed. I'm gonna go right under that guideline. Make sure you continue to comb out your hair throughout this process. What I'm gonna do is I'm gonna take my number 1/16 guard and go right under where I did my number 1 guard closed. Thinning shears is basically regular scissors that blend though. I'm going to take my liners, these are my Gamma Plus hitters that I've used before, and I'm going to line up right over my ear into the back. Now you're going to see me going over my hair with my shears slightly. A very, very important trick to this cut is to always flick out. Don't go all the way into your hair. Make sure you're doing a flicker out motion. As you can see, I'm being very light and very gentle-handed. And notice how I'm really only using the corner of my clipper. That's very key and a very effective way to make sure this cut comes out clean and crisp. As you can see, I'm being extremely light-handed along this entire cut, both with my scissors and my trimmers and my clippers. You do not want to be heavy-handed. You're going to see me using this method called the tiger claw, and a lot of barbers don't talk about this method because a lot of them don't use it. But this method is really good for trying to blend longer hair into shorter hair, especially a cut like this where you don't want to cut too deep in on your shape ups. Think of this method as using your clippers as a liner, but with a guard. Don't go too deep on your hairline because the key to this cut is also making sure that you keep your sides thick and natural. Trim, trim, trim. Just lightly trim over the top of your hair. Don't cut too much off. As you can see, the difference between this taper and a lot of other tapers is I didn't necessarily taper the back. You can see the back is very lightly touched, and I wanted to keep it thick and natural. I'm gonna do this other side real quick, and then once I get done with that, we're gonna be done. And absolutely no cut is complete without using the UJJAYI balm and the UJJAYI serum. I'm gonna put that on my sides and my sideburns along with my beard, along with the top of my hair, and comb it all out, brush it in, and voila. That's how I do my low tapers with a shape up. I hope you guys enjoyed this video. Feel free to like, comment, subscribe. If you have any questions, feel free to leave them in the comment box. Thank you guys for watching. This is Self-Care with Rod. I'm out.